Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei GT3 watch. First, ensure your watch is fully charged and powered on. Next, make sure your smartphone's Bluetooth is enabled and ready for pairing. You will need to download the official Huawei Health application, which is crucial for managing your device. This app facilitates all communication and data synchronization between your phone and watch, making it the only way to establish a proper connection. To begin, you must download the Huawei Health app, which is the central hub for your watch. You can find it by searching your phone's app store or by scanning the QR code often found on the watch's packaging or initial setup screen. Once located, install the application and carefully grant all necessary permissions it requests. This step is vital for the app to function correctly and communicate with your watch effectively. With the Huawei Health app installed, open it and navigate to the Devices section. Tap on Add Device and then select Smartwatches, choosing your Huawei GT3 from the list. The app will then search for nearby devices using Bluetooth 5.2 technology. Once your watch appears, tap to connect. A pairing request will appear on both your phone and watch. Confirm it on both screens to proceed. After successful pairing, follow the remaining on-screen prompts within the Huawei Health app to complete the setup. This typically involves granting permissions for notifications, health data, and other features. Keep your watch and phone in close proximity, ideally within 10 meters, during the initial synchronization process. If you encounter any connection issues, try restarting both your smartphone and your Huawei GT3 watch, then repeat the pairing steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.